Hi, Advanced Algebra 2 students. Welcome to week 3 of Advanced Algebra 2 Remote Learning. This week we are starting Unit 8, right over here, Sequences and Series. This unit is our very last unit of the year. It's going to take us all the way to finals. And there's 5 learning targets in this unit. So I'm going to walk you through the 5 learning targets and then show you what's on our Google Classroom. So here we go. Learning target 1, I can identify the difference between arithmetic and geometric sequences. So there's many different types of sequences. We're just going to focus on arithmetic and geometric sequences. Identify the difference and common ratio and determine missing values of sequences. So sequences are just lists of numbers that have a pattern to them. So there's going to be missing numbers in that list that we're going to find the values of. Learning targets 2 and 3, we're going to write and use equations of those arithmetic and geometric sequences. So because they have a pattern, we can write an equation for them and use the equation. Learning targets 4 and 5, we're going to calculate arithmetic and geometric series, which are just the sum or adding up all of the terms in the sequence. So those are the 5 learning targets. Let's look at our Google Classroom. Oops. So we're in Algebra 2 Advanced. Click on Classwork. We still have the weekly schedule link up there. We're going to use that. And then there's a new place for you to submit your worksheets 8 and 9, which are the 2 worksheets you're going to learn this week. So let's click on our schedule. We're done with weeks 1 and 2. That's why they're grayed out. And now we're into week 3. We're going to learn our introduction to Unit 8, Sequences and Series, and equations of arithmetic sequences specifically this week. That's what we're learning. So to do on Wednesday and Friday, this is going to run this week kind of like our traditional lecture and practice weeks in class. So what you have is to do Wednesday, watch the week 3 welcome video. Well, you're already watching this welcome video, hopefully, but you can watch it more times if you want. Then complete and check answers to this opener. So this opener is kind of fun. It has a bunch of different patterns in there. Some are tricky, some aren't as tricky. So do the opener, check your answers. Then watch this Learning Target 1 notes video and take notes in your notebook. After you're done watching the lecture video, it's about 15 minutes, and taking notes, then complete and submit worksheet 8. On Friday, you're going to do similarly, watch a Learning Target 2 notes video, take notes, and complete worksheet 9. You're going to submit both of these worksheets onto our Google Classroom. Let me show you where that is. Submit assignments here, worksheet 8 homework sheet, click on View Assignment. It says, please submit pictures of your worksheet 8 homework sheet using the Add or Create button. So it's over here on the right. And then click the Mark as Done tab. Please make sure you click this tab so that I can see it and give you feedback on it. And then similarly, submit worksheet 9 in the exact same way. If you have any questions, please feel free again to send me a reminder or an email. We're coming up on, I can't believe, over a month now of us not seeing each other. I miss you guys so much. I care about you all. Let me know how I can help. I hope you're all healthy and your families are all healthy and happy. Hopefully see you soon. Bye.